Yeah, all right. This is, you know, a quick demo on testing, what do you call it, the filter that I just installed. And secondly, it's going to help Prof and Joe to sort of understand what they're about to do today or tomorrow, because I'll be taking pictures and video at the same time, willingly, God willingly. Okay, may the Holy Spirit take this. I'm going to take off in a minute. All right, it's taking off. I'm gonna check a couple of things, guys. I should have checked it before taking off. I didn't. So now you watch. Check your altitude, which is about 50. Return to home. Maximum distance is about whatever you see there. And what do we have here? Maximum altitude is about 120. So these are the most important things you check. And there's no cause for alarm here. I've seen any red caution telling you about something that needs to be checked, compass or anything to be calibrated. Okay, so we've got 98% juice. It's on P mode. Go up. This is all in P mode now. Okay, so 18 meters altitude. I'm gonna do pictures first for Prof, and then I do video for Joe, if possible. Okay, that's it. Okay, what I could also do, I could be doing the video recordings. I could be doing the video. Well, let's just do it this way. I'm just gonna be taking the pictures. The video is recording anyway, so this is just pictures then. So Prof, this is for you. So I'm gonna go up again. Just want to bring this whole thing in the frame, not give you too many pictures. And then go back, if possible. This is my first shot. I'm gonna go up again, go back some more. I'm gonna put the whole park in the frame. All right, if possible, go up some more. Then take my first picture. First picture taken. I can take it another one from here and take a third one from this angle, if possible. So you have 3 to play with. Now I'm gonna come forward. So we are just taking pictures whilst recording video at the same time. Okay, so this is purely for you, Prof. So here we go. Now you have your third picture. Check your EV. Are you happy with it? I'm not very sure. Let me lower it a bit. Okay, that's it now. I'm gonna take my third picture. Roll to the right. There's nothing much there to take, so you come back to the left. And let's assume we are taking the picture this time around. We are taking the trees. Can I still see where it is? I don't know. Okay, I can. So I'll go back till I can't see it anymore. And then I can take my next picture, putting the park in the frame. You can see the ultraviolet rays lights. Okay, let's lower the EV a bit before taking this picture. Okay, taking this picture. Now, let's see. There's another more picture to take. Let's just pretend we want to take a picture of this basketball thing here. So this is how you take a picture like this one whilst in the air. All right. So I'm gonna take it now. Then if there is a possibility of taking it from this angle, so I'm going to take a picture from a different angle. I'm doing this at the same time watching the flight. It's not easy. All right, so this is it, my focus point. Okay, all right, so I've got it. I want it very straight. Then I'll come forward. I believe it's licked. Then I'll take another picture. Then most probably, I don't know if I can still see it, can go forward. Hello, Andy, you all right? Okay. There's a nice picture here to take, but we're focusing on this thing, so I'm not gonna, do something else. Hold on. All right. So this is it. Okay. So now we want to take a picture like this. This one is keep it in the center frame. All right, Prof, I know you are the photographer, but trust me, I'm very good at this. So this is my center frame, taking this picture. One picture more, then I'll go up whilst looking down, making sure I'm on top of it from the middle. And come back a bit. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So here we go. Now let's come back a bit. And then I'll take the next picture. My juice reporting is 67%. Okay, taking my third picture. So now I'm gonna aim the gimbal up, trying to capture the estates. Coming back. So what we're doing now is capturing the estates. So Joe, you watch this. This is the video part for you. Okay, now I've got the estates in the frame and the road. That's a nice picture. Then I'll go closer, lower my altitude down to about 30 thereabout, even 25 is possible. Now I've got a closer view, and then I'll take a picture. Then whilst I'm on this altitude, I'll turn slowly for video purposes, not the picture. So killing two birds with one stone. And now what I need to do here is bump up. Bump up again till about 40 something, thereabout. Still bumping up. Then I think I've got a nice picture here to take. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in sports mode. This is what you use the sports mode for. And whilst I'm on that altitude, I'm just gonna go on top of the water, take a picture, then turn, facing this direction, take a picture, and turn again to the left. Okay, putting everything in the frame, guys. Here we go. Gimbal is struggling in the wind. It's on sports mode, that's why. So I'm gonna take a beautiful picture here. Then I'm gonna slide to the left. Still bumping up in altitude. And then I'll take a picture. Then if possible, let me come back a bit. I might lose signal because I'm not diagonal to the... I'm losing signal. Take a picture. And take the opportunity wherever I'm standing now, turn to see if I can get the park in the frame again. And lower the EV. Whilst you're doing all these things, guys, you need to be watching the battery. That's my disclaimer. I will not be responsible for it. All right. So that's my EV there. That's the best I can get. This filter is not the best of the best. So what's my orientation now? What's my direction now? I'm not very sure. All right. Let's just pretend we know where our direction is, and then keep coming back. Looking in the sky. I can't see, but I can hear it. Okay, I can almost see it now. So here we go. We've got very nice picture here to take. We need to check the EV. It's the best we can get. It's not the best, but this is what we can get for now. Take a picture of it. Now, if we want to go forward, now just before we pass the Mayo close, we might want to let the Mayo close come into this frame and check the EV again. And like I said, the filter is not the best. We take a picture, just you know. Now we're gonna go forward and aim the gimbal down. Take a picture. Then we're gonna turn this way. So for video purposes, Joe, you're looking at what I'm doing, and Prof is looking at the picture taking. So for taking picture, we want to have this in the frame. Okay, you have to make sense in your capturing. Okay, now here we go. We've got a very beautiful picture here. Here we go. Then now let's come forward. What we're aiming at now, juice reporting is 43%. We're now aiming at taking a picture of the Twin Tower. But before we do that, we've got a very beautiful picture here. Let's bump it up and pretend we want to take this picture. Bump the EV up a bit. Okay, without further ado, let me bring it back. And this is for Joe, both and Prof. Now this is what we're aiming at. We're gonna come down in altitude. Coming down in altitude and putting this in the frame. Then we're gonna slide to the left, keep sliding to the left, keep turning. This is where you need your, what do you call it? You need your simulator to practice these moves. You can't be practicing it when you're there. So now look at this picture in the frame, y'all. Let me put this in the frame. All right, so this is the building. This is what we wanted. Let's take this picture here first. 30-something% juice left. Then now, let's bump it up a bit and reverse. Okay, 34% left. Should be coming home by now. Okay, I still want to put this thing in the frame. Here we go. One more before we come home. Let's bump it up to 60. And then we aim the gimbal down and put it back in the frame. So give the universe a lifetime treat, say a prayer with every little heartbeat. The name is Bindida Samadas, and this is just a demo for the girls. I'm coming back home, guys. So I'm coming back home on an altitude of, it's telling me battery is low, fly with caution. As you can see, I don't have any maps. I wasn't here anywhere. Now I'm coming home. I'm gonna come back, take a picture if possible. Still coming back. Remember what I told you, Prof, until I'm on top of wherever I'm standing. Take a picture. Now I'm gonna come down, sorry. Take a quick picture from here. I can also take a nice picture from here. And I'm gonna come down as much as possible. Take a picture. I hope you take this lesson seriously so that you can do your collaboration without any issues. Ciao.